Hello guys, today we're gonna play Roblox raiseafloppa part 2, and today we're gonna play it, and we're gonna show you how to make a mac and cheese recipe inside in this game, and I'll show you in this video how to make it instead. But this is gonna take your life into so long, but you can't make all the recipes, only pizza recipe and only grilled cheese, of course, and you will never know what's gonna happen. You see the recipe over there, and you just go to the interwebs and just look on the recipe, and you can just know what's in. Let's get some cheese, and we're gonna get some and the milk. There you go, and now you put that and you get it meat there. No, it's gonna be cooked. Let's paper it now and okay, it's done now. We're gonna feed it to the floppa, and boom. Hold on. Oh, there is now cooked, and I don't need to say that. Bye.